Hello guys, welcome to my Android Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix Facebook login error and an expected error occurred. So before going to start the video, if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing the issue with your Facebook login and unexpected error occurred, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you need to open the settings, just tap on the settings. You need to scroll down a little bit. You can see your apps, just tap on the apps. Tap on the see all apps, then search for Facebook. Tap on the Facebook. Once you need to tap on the force stop, tap on OK. You can see your storage and cache, just tap on that storage and cache. Once tap on the clear cache, then go back. If you want to clear storage, you can clear storage. Before clicking OK, you have to make sure that you have remembered your Facebook login ID and password. If you have remembered your Facebook login ID and password, then you can tap on OK. Then go back. And the second method is just tap on the Play Store, search for Facebook. If your Facebook app is not up to date, then update it from here. Just tap on the update. Then you need to wait for some time to complete this process. After completion of this process, then go back. Guys, after trying this both option, still you are facing the issue, then you need to wait for minimum 24 to 48 hours because it may occur sometime due to Facebook server issue. So if your problem doesn't solve with this solution, you need to wait for minimum 24 to 48 hours. After waiting for 28 to 48 hours, hopefully your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Facebook login error and an unexpected error occurred. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.